In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to premiere a video on YouTube. Head over to your channel. YouTube Premiere is a feature that lets you and your viewers watch and experience new videos together in real time. They are the videos that are uploaded and scheduled to play at a certain time, which also has live chats and other interactive features so that your viewers can interact with you and also with each other. From here, you need to head over the section to upload a video. Now choose the video that you want to premiere. After that's done, you can add in the title and description and also the thumbnail. Now you can click next and again next. On the last section, it shows the visibility. Here you'll find an option for premiere, which is on public, and you can check the set as instant premiere. After you check this box, you can click on publish and this video will be premiered. As I said earlier, it will have all the interactive features. So that's how you can premiere a YouTube video.